traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I'm definitely still very bullish overall. I still think this needs to go up and complete this W, X, and Y pattern. Just keep in mind that a wave Y should be 1, 2, 3 waves up, just like the wave W and the wave X was 3 waves. So going down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, I still think this is a wave A over here. I think this is a wave B. That makes this a wave 1. That makes this a big ABC of 2. And I think that we are likely already in this wave 3, and I think it's going to continue over the coming months to make higher highs, higher lows, to form that pattern I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, originally I was definitely looking at this as possibly being a wave A, but this move up is looking very, very impulsive. Tomorrow is FOMC too, so it's going to be very, very interesting. To me, it just looks like the end of a crescent. It looks like that we turned it to 38%, very, very impulsive to the upside. Really, it looks like the end of a crescent. It looks like something that should, and probably likely will, just keep on trending up, making those higher highs, higher lows, all subdivisions of that wave 3 on the weekly, monthly time frame. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I definitely think this is a trend with a break and then another trend. So it definitely does look like an ABC crescent. As you saw on the daily, it did bounce off a Fibonacci level almost perfectly. Went up, broke, structure to the upside. Definitely looks to me like the end of a crescent, and if it is the end of a crescent, it should be the continuation of the uptrend. With FOMC coming out tomorrow, it's going to be very interesting to see if this prevailing trend actually continues, or if it really does try to make a big move to the downside. It's supposed to be the first rate cuts for a very long time, so it's going to be a very interesting day tomorrow for sure. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, the trend is definitely up. There's no doubt about that. We're not at a Fibonacci level. We definitely don't have any lower high or anything like that telling us the trend is over. So, I personally would definitely still be looking for longs. I would be patiently waiting for a pullback if I wasn't already long to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. The trend is your friend, and it looks like the end of a crescent back here, so the trend is definitely up as of now. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, but the link for that is down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.